Well, imagine being level 7, so gay.
Imagine, dude.
Really touch this game and
Bro,
you guys are playing it.
I'm literally 30 points away from level 21, and I was trying to get into a quick match, and every time I did, it kept disconnecting me as soon as I loaded in.
Oh.
I'm like, bro, all I wanted to do was get blood, just like grab blood, because you get points for like picking up
How
blood,
will the
and then just
ground
sit
find
there.
you?
Well, I'll grind on you any day.
You're weird.
Yes, sweet pea, yes.
Ew.
So this Johnny build I found is interesting. I'm gonna test out. Ugh!
Ew.
Huh. Well, alright. Ugh! Woman!
Z be like,
Yep, it's a woman.
No. No,
nah,
no, no.
nah, when he looks at you, never mind.
No,
Ooh.
Tiny over there.
Cole,
Sonny.
Cole over
Big
there.
black man.
What?
No, no. No. When Z sees this. Z, you love. No, you love this!
Oh yeah.
Nah, Z like
Put your
grandpa.
perk on, Jack.
I don't have one.
So it's just me with my perk.
Yeah.
Wow, that suck. This game.
I barely touch the game.
These-
What's up, you guys get on it? Because I'm not.
Honey
Because you don't
badger.
play. You play Ark all day.
That's
Yeah, you
not the
stroke
case.
dick and suck.
Ew.
Yeah.
You
You
wish.
rape animals.
Ew.
love-
Come on, Z.
You
I'm
rape
not
robot
Cole, you were just
mutated
barking
shark.
like 20 minutes ago.
What?
Cole, you rape mutant robot sharks. Yeah. Yeah. You cannot deny it. I witnessed
Now
it with
I'm
my own two
confused.
balls.
Yeah, I'm confused as well. What the
I
heck?
witnessed it with my own. Oh, he's doing it right now. He's doing it right now.
You're mad weird.
You can't deny it. I witnessed
Yeah,
it
you
with my
talking about
own
little
two
girls,
balls.
He's
Well,
doing it
I like
wrong.
women, unlike you.
No, I'm not doing that.
Man, your favorite arena is a sandbox. Yeah, it's a sandbox and a playground. Your favorite battleground's a sandbox and a playground where you prowl on kids.
Fast food.
He likes
Oh,
prowling
you
on
drive
kids.
through.
No. That's the glory hole drive through Cole. That's where you stick a lollipop through, wait for a smaller person to come in, and then you stick your salty lollipop in. Oh, shame, just oh. You cannot deny. Oh. Oh, finally. Ew, I hate this man. Oh, Cole kicked up. I can't see. I'm blind.
See, I'm blind, dude. Come here.
Oh,
I'm here.
is that Cole?
Yes, it's me, Cole. I've come to save the day.
He's inside of Cole.
As you can see, I'm Cole. I have a
Well,
tail.
clean yourself up. That's Cole's foreskin on his face.
Take it off.
Oh, no, eat it. Swallow it whole. Drink its sustenance.
Get it off of me.
Bro, Johnny is caked. Oh my god. Forget Sissy, bro. There's Shoddy now, Johnny. Fuck you looking at, Grandpa. You eye up my cake, you weirdo.
Nice, damn it. Oh,
Yeah, that's to be expected.
Leland, you racist. Oh my god, I was
Sure.
stunned for like 20 minutes.
That's inaccurate.
It is not.
Oh, little girl. I found you.
I love how I can block the way for Cole and the survivor.
Come here, you.
I just
I
watched
wanna
Spark.
touch you.
I just watched you miss and watch Sparks fly through
Shut
that
up,
door.
you.
No, I don't think I will.
I'm trying to touch people.
Yo. Pauses. I'm trying to touch. Be careful with your next word.
This is racist.
Hit,
Wow.
obviously. Uh-huh. Oh, where are you?
I found you.
That was good. Let's go to the
Excuse me. Now, Cole, be sure to poison their health, their the cog wheels that are like blue and red. What?
my face.
So yeah, poison
Come
health,
here, you.
red and blue cog wheels. You can poison fuses that are like on the walls
Shove
around the
something
map.
in this woman.
You should stop that.
No, she got away.
Ocean man, take me by the
Found some
hand.
health for them poisoning.
Yeah, and
Luckily,
then
and the fun
there's-
part is there's like powder fort right next door, so you can
yeah,
poison
there's
that fort
there's
back.
yeah, make sure to use those. Cole,
yeah.
when you're done, when you're done, come over to me.
Grandpappy.
Finally, Jesus, took you long enough, you old hag,
The old part.
you old nit.
Oh.
Anyone? Oh, I see one. Cole,
Yeah, I
come
see
to me.
one up.
Or is there?
Ocean man.
Where the fuck?
What? What?
Cool.
Did I just have a stroke?
Yes. Stroking the Jaro.
Give me these footprints. Let me give them a sniff.
I'm sniffing feet, you weirdo.
I found you.
Johnny's got a foot fetish. Okay, Cole, come to me.
White girl.
Cole,
Man.
come. Oh, you have a middle mouse.
Soda.
I'm with my grandpappy. I'm feeding my almost full blood.
Yeah, I don't care. There's a bitch. Where the fuck you go?
Their mouth doesn't move and they talk is really weird.
Jesus.
Don't go down away.
I'm having a fucking stroke.
I think I see Jack.
Where's this bitch?
Stroke.
Where are you? What the fuck? Where'd you go? You in it?
Oh,
Where'd that little white girl go?
I having a stroke. God damn it.
I'm sitting. I'm facing grandpa. He's working in the corner.
Okay.
Cole!
Huh?
Shut doors behind you.
Ew. Oh, white
Corner.
girl.
Learn to
Grandpa.
shut doors.
Where's Grandpa at?
I don't know.
You fed him.
I
I
did
did.
not.
Where is he?
You go see him.
No, I won't. Where is he?
Over.
Oh, I see him now.
Gotta go with this.
Gaboo, gaboo, gaboo.
I love how I can break the crawl spaces for Cole and the survivors.
Here you go. So
Ugh, what
good.
Where are
Don't be
these
perfect
knees
around
on
me.
that?
Get to it.
I've been feeding grandpa.
Okay, those games are right here.
Ew! I'm coming, sweet pea.
Yeah.
Oh, how I missed the first one, but yeah.
Oh,
Went through a little hole I can't get through.
Ah! Ew.
I know weird one.
That's
Oh,
her.
I see. Nazi. I thought it was the other redhead.
There's another redhead in this game?
Oh my
Fuck.
god. So many
Her name is Cole.
Booga booga, go back to Africa.
Booga doo. Booga booga doo.
I'm sniffing her gripper, Prince. Smells like
Yes.
thick cake.
Oh, I found her. She's coming back your
Oh.
way. She went
Hi,
through the
ma'am.
hole.
Oh, she's very dead. Okay.
Yeah, I heard her a lot.
I'm poisoning.
She was one smack.
Oh!
Oh!
What? Your dead body?
What?
Her knee! Ew. She has 4 knees!
Ew.
What?
Her neck is bent inside herself and she has 4
Her
knees.
neck is touching her knees.
But back into a sandwich? What do you do to her?
I rolled her
I'm
up.
hungry.
Oh my god, I can
I can
Ew,
still hear the
bang,
body
ew.
moving.
Lost up the dunk
What? I will not!
Good grandpappies.
No, I can't get out of here. I keep glitching into walls.
Ooh, just barely got that up there.
Grand Policious.
I'm looking for little lights.
Here. Okay, well this was tickled.
Wild tie.
Man, I
Yeah,
want
know wild
chop.
tie. Anybody- Oh, hey.
I want Chop Top in this.
Huh?
Cole, get the rights to Chop Top.
Give me the rights to top.
Oh! Oh, you gotta stop. Both of them at the same time. Oh, I killed a bitch. Let me go reap Grant. Motherfucker! Of course it was Leland.
Oh, he didn't give us
Someone-
a good fight.
Someone go back to the
God, I'm
exits.
having a stroke. Okay.
We gotta close those.
I don't know where the exit is on this map.
Which one was? Yeah, Cole, you go to that one. If that's closed, I'll go to the other one.
Nasty pie.
No.
Come here.
Ew.
No.
Come here before I come in here.
One pickle grandpa, he's an inch away. Okay, yeah, I think it was this one. All these
Hey,
doors.
who's in here? You.
Ew. Okay, this is open.
I found one.
Hey, a woman!
While.
Oh no, that's not good. It's open.
She doesn't want.
She's an idiot, apparently. What is she doing?
Is the lady dead?
What is she doing?
Here, I'll go guard.
Don't- No, don't you dare.
She's going down well.
No!
We'll be able to see her and she'll be hurt.
Let's
Let's see where.
gotta do this generator. Is this still locked?
I
It
see
is.
her.
You didn't have a lockpick.
Oh, so she was looking for one. That chick down there is very hurt.
Who putting in work with Grandpa?
That's
Me.
Fucking hate the generator.
Put in that Zaza, Grandpappy.
Oh!
What's wrong?
Okay, so then it was probably... Cole, did you fix that exit? Did you go to that exit?
That one was green. Did you turn the battery back on?
Yeah, the generator, yeah.
Whatever.
Cole, did you go to the battery exit?
I'm a coming.
And where is that on this map?
Motherfuck, you came from it!
Where? Is that you at the doors?
Yeah, it's me. Jesus Christ, the lag.
It's immense, am I correct?
Excuse me?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Well, it's just that chick
I'm
that went
apparently
down
gonna
the
see
well
someone's
now.
insides. Yeah, I found her. She's over at the pressure exit.
Oh, okay.
Come here, ma'am. I just want your schmeat.
Well, not
Give me that
yet,
cake.
Huh?
She's trying to pick this door right in front of me. Oh, that's.
Y'all got it right.
I'm broken. I can't run. Okay, wonderful. She went down the well because I broke.
Oh, I'm down here. And she
She's
fell
in
right next
cap.
to me.
She's in cap too.
And she's gonna die.
Oh, this is what
She
not-
was
Hey, stay down, monkey! Get back here, you.
Ew.
Did you get away?
Probably.
Wait,
Well,
I hear moaning and
oh
groaning.
well. Now she can't get away.
I don't know where she went. I lost her.
She bled out.
She bled out.
Yay, level 21.
Lag. Lag is immense.